Welcome to our quick guide on changing your Facebook cover photo without posting it to your newsfeed. If you want a fresh look on your profile without notifying friends, this step-by-step walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're in, head to your profile so you can see your current cover photo and your profile picture. From there, place your cursor over the cover photo area. A small menu should appear. This is where you'll find the options to adjust your cover. Click on Upload Photo. This opens your device's gallery or photo library. Browse and select the image you want to use as your new cover. After you've chosen the photo, it will appear in your cover space, ready for any final tweaks. Now comes the important part. If you want to keep this change private from your newsfeed, look for the option that says Share You Update to Newsfeed and uncheck it. This prevents the update from showing up in your friends' feeds, so only you see the new cover photo on your profile. With the share option tucked away, you can adjust the positioning if needed. Drag the photos to reposition it so the most important parts are visible in the frame. Once you're satisfied with how it sits, tap Save to apply the changes. Your new cover photo is now live, and there's no public post announcing the update. If you ever want to revert or try a different look, repeat these steps with another image. The process is simple, fast, and keeps your profile looking fresh without broadcasting every tweak to your network. A quick tip: for best results, use a photo that matches the cover dimensions and isn't too busy. A clean composition with good contrast helps your profile stand out without overpowering your profile picture. That's all there is to it. You've updated your Facebook cover without posting to your newsfeed, keeping your profile polished and occasions private. If you try this, tell me in the comments how the new cover feels and whether you'd like more quick social media tweaks explained in future videos.